as you may know, I've recently done a full video on these. This is the Babybel crossover with Stranger Things Hellfire Club Fiery Hot Cheese Alternative. And one of the things that we didn't get a chance to check out in the video because I forgot was to see if it melts. So we're going to unwrap it here. We'll choose this Demigorgon, or the Gorgon, or whatever the hell that thing is. We'll choose that. Oh, it's all fused. That's nice. Alright. And we will unwrap it. And let's get a plate and put the parchment paper on the plate and put the cheese disc on the parchment paper, and then we will pick up the cheese disc, take it over to the microwave, throw it in, put it on for a minute, and let's see what happens. We are not quite 30 seconds in. This is stinking up my kitchen. You know, we'll just stop there. So there, oh my God, what is going on? There it is. If you were wondering if the Babybel Stranger Things cheese product melts, now you know.